Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Oh my gosh, I was thinking of buying this. This is at Claire's.
Hold on, let me scoot over. Let me turn this a little bit. I'm here with my best aunt.
Me, Jenna.
And we will be showcasing some slime today.
So this video is going to be very satisfying and very how do you describe it?
And this is my orange blizzard slime. It's nice and stretchy.
Oh my gosh.
And it has little black dots in it to show the blizzard resemblance.
And well, basically that's mine, but we just switched for this video. This one is I like to call this one blue blizzard slime because it has little specks of blue. If you can't see, probably can't see. But if you see those little specks, like right there and right there, those are blue specks. And as you can't tell, it's blue. So.
And this is Jenny's favorite. She really wants to showcase it on hers. This is my mom's crunchy slime. It has these little beads that stand out. It's really poppy, super stretchy.
Watch your arm, Michaela.
And yeah, my mom, she loves slime. I did one hand today, as you can see right here, and then my other hand. But yeah, this is my mom's slime. She doesn't know I post on YouTube, so don't tell her.
I don't know what it is, honestly.
This is bad slime. Where's mine? Where is it, Michaela? Where's the blizzard slime?
And we're going to showcase our two blizzard slimes in this video.
But she's going to be using this one. I'm going to be using that one.
This is a nice slime, not too putty-like either. And trust me, Jenna knows putty-like slime.
Putty-like is like where you can't even, you can't stretch it. It just goes, and then you can't poke it. It doesn't make the poking sound. It goes.
But this, and so stretchy.
I mean, unless you're stretching your putty super slowly, like this, then it won't break. But if you stretch it like this,
like you can with actual slime,
not like super fast like this, but if you're doing this and it stretches, then it's slime.
I'll showcase this a little bit more.
Hey, we should try a scary story.
Just a little spot.
The little blizzards in here. You can see right there.
Hey guys, you want to write a scary story
No.
about slime?
Right now?
Why are you playing with my slime again?
I'm not. And this is my mom's slime.
Kill her.
She's not.
Super cute. Super cute. My mom's slime is not that much because she really doesn't like that much slime in a little container like this. My mom doesn't know I made this big of a batch of slime or else she would kill me. Oh, let's call her right now. Mom? Mom? Mom! Hold on, it's still ringing.
Oh, hi, sweetheart.
I'm just so smashing frickin' slime. I want to take that slime and smash it in your guys' face.
Hi, sweetheart. I wasn't doing anything.
I'm gonna have
Mom.
slime face.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I showcase your slime?
What?
And I made a big batch of slime. Bye. So yeah, this is a cute little
Aaron?
container
Go over to Jenny's house right now.
of slime.
Oh.
So cute.
That's why he's my favorite.
It's real crunchy. Crunchy crunch.
No, I have a broken leg because of football. And, oh!
Are you taking that from Wolfie?
Ew, no. No. Connor.
Wait,
He hurt his foot, like,
in football?
yeah.
I forgot Connor played football.
Yeah. Knock, knock.
Kind of little.
Hey. Oh, look, you're the tall one now. Hey, I have to come inside and watch you guys. Okay. Oh! I forgot. My leg was broken.
How'd you do that?
Aaron, why do you have to be here in the middle of my video?
Because I have to.
This is my giant batch of slime my mom doesn't know about. This is how big it is.
Let me sit here.
It's nice and big. And yeah, this is my mom's slime if you guys haven't noticed. Stop! You're gonna get my slime dirty. And we'll showcase this one more time.
Ew, no. Please don't leave me with her. She's gonna break my other arm. My leg. I'm gonna have to be on more crutches.
What do you mean more crutches? You can't have more than 2 crutches.
My orange
Yeah, I can.
lizard slime, as you can see.
Ah! The pink!
What do you want me to do? Spray paint them?
This is how big it is. Quite big,
Get
actually.
off!
Wait, are you gonna be a werewolf?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, that was a pet peeve. But
Maybe I should just go play video games or something.
I put them upstairs. In the attic. You don't have to walk upstairs to get. So I'll just get that.
goes in this container. Slime goes in this container. Right here. Thank you guys for watching. I am so happy you guys like and enjoy my videos. I will be doing more slime videos more often.
Hey, Michaela, are you
Like this.
using my tablet? If not, can I have it?
And
Playing video games.
yeah, so hope you enjoy.
This is the game
Bye.
console.